Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to duplicate a page in WordPress using Elementor. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log into a WordPress CMS using your provided username and password. Well, on my dashboard area, I'll want to install the Elementor WordPress plugin. So I'll navigate into the plugin section and select Add New Plugin. Then I'll navigate on the top section area and select to type in Elementor. From the different plugin options that are available, Elementor is at the top left location denoted by the E. I'll click on Install now. Once installed, I'll select Activate. Now once activated, a menu Elementor will appear on the tool section on the left panel. I'll select Elementor option and I'm prompted with the Elementor dashboard window that allows me to do some of the customizations. Just note, if you are installing Elementor for the very first time, you may be prompted to create an account for it to connect with your WordPress. Notice also that this is a trial version of Elementor and does not have too many functions to use. So first things first, I'll navigate into the page creation option. I'll select New Page and I will select Edit with Elementor. Notice my Elementor editor comes in with different tools that I can use. So in this case, I'll want to edit some of the pieces in here. I can change the layout to grid. We're just drag and dropping into the grid section. Inside this grid area, I can customize the different settings within the area. I'll go back and fill this grid with some element by clicking on the 9 dots at the top section to give me my tools. From the tools section, I can add an image by clicking and dragging in there. And from the image window here, I can choose an image from my computer, which I had already uploaded. I leave the sizing just the way they are. Navigate back into the tools option, pick a title, put in right there. I can edit the title by selecting what is in here. And that's what we have. I can change and have a URL if I want to. Go back to my element. And I can add as many tools as I need. So once I'm done, I'll select Publish. Now notice publishing saves this page into my page section. But since in this tutorial we want to duplicate pages, I'll just navigate under the Update option, click on the arrow pointing upward and select Save as Template. From the Save as Template, I will select a name that I'll remember whenever I'm calling this template as a duplicate. I'll click on Save, and now the page is saved within my templates. So anytime I want to duplicate this particular page as my template, if I am on my WordPress dashboard, I'll just select New Page, and from the editing window, I'll select Edit with Elementor. Now on this page that I want to customize, now copying the template page I had already saved into this new page, I'll navigate into this element or add template option, and from the different blocks that are available, I don't want to use the blocks or the pages, I'll select my templates. So I'll find a template that has the name I had saved it with, happens to be test template. I can preview and select insert. Once I insert, it will prompt me that all the settings of the page I'm creating will be imported here and it will overwrite, which I'll select Yes, Apply. So the page has already duplicated and you can now see the title is the Elementor 37 template. And I can publish whenever I have filled in all the other information as I like. Well, that is how you duplicate a page in WordPress using Elementor. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.